What's good, you guys? It's your girl Sibo, and obviously you're tuned into earGROUND TV. And today I'm here with none other than Platinum Prince. How are you?
Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm good. It's a pleasure to be here.
I'm happy that you're here. Like, you have no idea how happy I am.
So am I, because this is a big platform. earGROUND is one of the biggest things that we can ever speak about.
Oh, thank you so much. Shout out to earGROUND. Anyway, Platinum Prince, now that you're here, I always love having people over because now it's not about what who says or what they say, where they said it, because the person is here, and you get to speak for yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I really appreciate. I love that.
All right. Let's start with Platinum Prince. For a person who doesn't know you, how would you go about saying, okay, this is Platinum Prince?
Okay, Platinum Prince, real name Ian McCure, the co-founder of the Indorani Alliance. I think I'm one of, I don't know why people say that, but they believe that I'm one of the most controversial artists to ever come out of Zimbabwe, but I don't think that's true. I actually think that it's because I believe in being myself. So I just do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it, but sometimes people take it in other ways.
So you said you're controversial. I've actually heard.
I didn't say I
okay.
am. I say
people say
yeah.
say that you are controversial.
Yeah.
But is it true? Do you think that you're controversial?
No, it's not true. I just believe society, there are certain things that they believe shouldn't be said or shouldn't be done, whilst they even do it behind
the scenes.
Yeah. So the fact that I do it without hiding, I do what I feel, because I believe life is too short. You only live once. Then it's not my life. So whenever I do that, you see people judging you, vashtate at the same thing. Like, for example, nasingatofiela kuti ndoda kutofamba mutauni ndichidyika maputi, I can just do it. And then people will be like, mamaona ari kutambura. But iye achidyika maputi kumba kwake chero aine mari yakawanda momwe.
Problem there, good. When you're now an artist, people expect you to carry yourself in a certain type of way, to say certain type of things. Doesn't that pressure ever get to you sometimes? You don't say, me, I'm good, thanks. I can't keep on doing this. Have you ever reached a point where you're like, this is my breaking point, but then you just said, okay, let me keep on going?
It used to get to me, but not anymore. I always say, so I don't feel anything anymore. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. So another thing that I've been thinking about, your Platinum Prince. When can you say I actually got my big break and you felt kuti, I made it? This was it for you.
Actually, I don't think I've made it. But if you're saying pawakatangozo tambirwo nevanu, I would say maybe 2013, right? But I actually feel and believe I haven't been, and I've not yet been on level chero rangu randinofana kunge ndiri, and that's why I'm here now. That's why I'm back home, kuti ndichiita zvandinofana kunge ndichiita. Like, if you notice, it has only been a week ndauya kunoko. But the fact that I stepped on the ground, there is noise pamusoro pezita rangu, which means I'm bigger than what I think or what other people think. It's just that I haven't pushed enough, and I'm here to push to that level. So I haven't gotten that breakthrough that I'm looking for, but just give me a few months.
And you're gonna give us...
We'll come back here and speak about it.
Okay, I love the sound of that.
Yeah.
So people, they always, there's Platinum Prince and there's Confused. Sometimes people can't talk about Platinum Prince without mentioning Confused. They can't talk about Confused without mentioning Platinum Prince. Is that a good thing or a bad thing for you?
I don't think there's anything bad with that, because remember, it's an alliance, right? Duran Alliance, we came up with it, and Takashita too. So people realizing kutoti pane vantu pachinji is a good thing. It was going to be a bad thing if they were going to focus on one
person and
yeah.
not the other.
So it's actually a good thing, and besides, we're family. So there's nothing bad if people speak about your sister and ask, where's your sister? That's not bad. Yeah.
Okay, no, I totally get it. So tell me, when you were away, did that somehow affect delivery yako in music, or did that affect your fan base, and you coming back? I know you say that you're giving us something really big, but do you think that so far, is it exactly what you expected? Are you happy with it? And why did you come back now? I think Dagambo are confused the same question. Kuti, what made you go, and why did you decide to say, okay, this is the time for me to go back home now?
Okay, personally, I believe leaving affected my career a lot, but I had to do it. I had no choice, right? Like the economy wasn't good, and Rutori not going my way, because the money that I was getting from the music and the family that I had to support, because I had a big family to support. It wasn't just about me. So I had to choose either to sacrifice my career or to sacrifice my family. Then I chose to sacrifice my career for that moment. But yeah, people were like, why you should release some music? But I was trying to make ends meet. And besides, music, for it kuti ishande unofana kuisa mari kuti uwane mari. And I also had to raise that money. You understand? So that's why I left, and I was quiet for some time. But like the question that you asked, like, is it what I was expecting? Yes, it is. Because even though I was away for a long time, like I said, the moment I got back, when I was school, they were happy to see me. So it means like my space and my place is still there. I just have to occupy it and cover it. I mean, angakada kuikava.
Varipo ere vagavada kuikava.
And ndakaona maphotocopy akawanda. Pangandisipo ndakatona vanhu vakawanda vanga vakuita zvinhu zvandinoita and stuff. Even some big artists vanga vakutoita zvimwe zvinhu zvandakamboita kudhara, and it looked like it was new. Vakuzviita, and I was like, wow. I was way ahead of time. Yeah. So it's cool, and I'm happy to be back home.
Okay, no, we're happy to have you back home as well. Since we spoke about, how you say Kutipanevan, we were trying to now take your place at some point in time because you were not around. Was there ever a time where you released a song, and but which is this song, it's for this particular person? And I can't really say maybe it's a diss or there has been beef, but something
even
along those lines.
Even if you have to speak of disses, like there were people like Ngawakto feel like they can diss me because I'm away. Like if we have to speak of Pakatotanga Gore, I realized people like say colors Pakatofila or it's maybe to concert spin drum studio Zimba and get away with it because he's busy with something else.
Yeah.
But I just had to prove a point, like even though if I'm away, it doesn't mean telling yeah, I think and a lot of people feel, but I believe now I'm back, and and I promise you no one is going to be disappointed, because from now on I'll be releasing my songs almost every week or every 2 weeks to cover up for time and people. Yeah, so it will be up to the people to choose because I'll be making music for everyone, because I believe Pane Wanofarira the side of me, remember my love songs. I believe Pane Wanofarira side of me, I wanna feel out in them scanswa. I believe Pane Wanofarira Pandita social commentary. So I can't say I'm going to push a love song for a month, because I'll be starving the other side. So I'll be giving people what they want, and munu chana kids gonna chachatora chasnofara chasapasai, because it's not like in the order. Yeah. So yeah.
All right. We already spoke about how people think you're controversial. So just a funny question. If your music
Mhm.
were to be a dish,
Mhm.
a meal,
Mhm.
what would it be?
Yo, I would actually say to be a buffet.
A buffet.
Yeah, because munhu wese anenge achingokwanisa nguva achingoti zvatora zvaakuda and yeah.
All right, Zimbabwe, you have had it from the man himself, Platinum Prince. He's here at earGROUND TV. And you know what? I'm really happy that you came. And I think the Zimbabweans have had what you have to say and what they should expect from you. Okay, so it's been lovely having you here. I've really enjoyed. I'm glad that you came. You know, like I said in the beginning, it's
a
always
pleasure.
refreshing for you. You know, for people to hear you and to hear what you have to say instead of my hearsay. Who said that? Who said what about who? So as we're signing out, is there like anything, the last thing that you would like to say to Zimbabweans? As you know,
Believe in yourself. Usaterere vanhu. Follow your heart. And don't forget to pray.
okay, I think you guys heard it for yourself. This is earGROUND TV, and we've been with Platinum Prince, and it's your girl Siwo signing out. Peace.